This is Data Parallel C++. In page 254, Chapter 10, Defining Kernels, Figure 10.8, Kernel created from an OpenCL kernel object. In page 254, in this episode, we will cover this part of the book. Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is March 10th, 2021. This is 121st episode about vector calculus and classical electromagnetism. In this episode, I will discuss how to use kernel created from an OpenCL kernel object in SYCL programming. I assume you have watched my previous video, especially episode 120. Please double-click this link. If you haven't watched it, Interoperability with OpenCL and SYCL, please watch it. Otherwise, you may not understand my current and future sessions. Show more in the download source code section. Please double-click this link to download the source code from our previous episode. Show in folder, unzip it, rename it, 121 OpenCL Kernel. Copy the folder, paste it in your working directory. Start Visual Studio Code. Open your working folder. From folder 121, double-click OpenCL. Ctrl V. We need to include header file CL. Include cl.h. Now copy this function, copy up to this point. I will make demarcation here, paste, scroll up, change the function name, test consume OpenCL kernel in SYCL programming. Copy the function name, Ctrl and paste it in function main. I will disable it. Scroll up. In this function, right after buffer, SYCL context. SC stands for SYCL context. From Q, we get context. SC stands for SYCL context. We will delete program. Here, constant character pointer, kernel, source. Modify your program like this. This is simple string defining our kernel. I will change it square. Then here, we will make it square. Here, context, C, from SYCL context SC, SC, get. From SYCL context SC, we assign CL context using SC get member function. CL program P CL create program with the source. We provide CL context C CL unit count 1 kernel source. Please understand that constant character pointer to pointer. So this is pointer, kernel source is pointer, so we have to provide pointer to pointer. Length, null ptr, error code return, we will put null ptr. CL build program, we provide CL program P, CL unit num device, I will just pass 0, null ptr, then option, null ptr, then notify function, null ptr, then user data, null ptr, CL, kernel, K, CL, create, kernel, we pass CL program P, kernel name, this kernel name is scale, so scale, error code return, we will just pass null ptr. Of course, we can provide more parameters when we gain more experience with OpenCL. Now scroll down. Here, I will delete this SYCL kernel. We provide CL kernel K, then SYCL context. Here, we have to release CL release context C. This C is CL context. CL release program P. This P is CL program. CL release kernel. This CL kernel K. Now in the command prompt, dir cd 121 OpenCL kernel dir dpcpp OpenCL.cpp. Don't forget OpenCL liv od.exe. Hit enter. Sorry, cut, paste it here. We have to fix our code like this because this C is declared in this code block. Now we rebuild CLSD. So our original array is initialized with 10 integers. Each element of A is scaled. We used OpenCL kernel object, this source code.